Rods, and it's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today I've got another one that came by way of ZenPop. Go to zenpop.jp, use the coupon code to the Ramen Raider to get yourself a discount. This one is Ramen no Sunaoshi Miso Ramen, and they've got a weird jingle. It goes, Sunaoshi, Sunaoshi, Ramen no Sunaoshi. I'm not kidding, that's the song that they do. And it's strangely catchy. I don't know. Oddly, I kind of like it. Alright, so 400 mils of water. We've got a clear sachet. And we've got a noodle block. And we got 4 minutes. So there. Are we going? There we go. It was acting a little wacky, but seems to be okay now. So yeah, today is November 21st, 2023, and yeah, capitalism isn't working for me, but trying, doing my best. Yeah, it is a bummer being broke, but we'll get through. Yeah, but we got each other here, so. And we have a pug, so that's a plus. But yeah, crummy how weird stuff happens around the holidays. But it will all pan out well. But it's about 1:30. Got a parent-teacher conference coming up that I'm doing over Zoom with one of my kids, and yeah. So what is going on? I'm thinking of making a pizza tonight. We got a big old bag of flour in there, and we got a bunch of cheese, and we got some frozen chicken I could do something with, and I just need some kind of cheap marinara or something to make a pie. I don't know though. I don't know. I'm like, yeah. If I do these reviews today, and then I, instead of making a pizza, because that's kind of time consuming, get 3 reviews ready to do for tomorrow, that would put me at I'll have done reviews up to number 4,850 before Thanksgiving, which means I'm only 150 to go to get to 5,000, which is great, but it sucks at the same time, because it's just like, well, what's number 5,000 going to be? What could that be? And when is it going to come out? Because right now, I think I just posted 4655 today, I think. So I'm like 195 reviews ahead. That's more than 6 months. So I don't know. But yeah, I think I've done 3 reviews a day almost every day this week. At least this Monday through Friday week. I don't really tend to do often a bunch on weekends or anything like that. It's time for family, not for sweating in the kitchen over a bunch of boiling water. Although it's definitely cooled down. I went out walking today. That was nice. But yeah. Woke up this morning, made 4 eggs. Softies. They all came out. Perfecto. That's a good omen. I like that. That means good things are going to happen. I think. I don't know. I'm very positive. But, you know. Yeah. Tired, though. Tired. Oh, perfect. This is my first one I'm doing today, and I'm like, I'm tired. Watch me fall asleep, kinda. Actually, you won't have to watch me fall asleep because the next two actually don't get steeped; they get boiled, so you get to watch the noodles cook. But this is a miso. Oh, that's true too. The instructions that Zen Pop gave for cooking this are totally wrong. So I'm hoping that this is actually a miso variety. The packaging looks... That could be miso. I don't know. I think just miso ramen is a little short on the title for this. But we'll see. There's a lot of seaweed going on in here. That's cool. Like seafood, sea miso. Miso of the sea. I don't know. Here's what we got. Noodles are a little parched. This is a playlist of music that I generally don't like to use, but I thought, what the hell? Cheers. Yeah, it's miso, all right. That looks like corn. Okay. Some broth. This is one of those misos that kind of comes across as like vegetable beef condensed soup. It's not bad, but it's not that earthy miso. You know what I mean? Maybe not. I like it when it's a little earthy or not. I went and I made the decision to do a GoFundMe today. I haven't released it today. I figured we've got what do you call it? Black Friday coming up on Friday. So I'm gonna see if maybe that's a good way to tell people about it. And then I got a top 10 list coming out on Monday, the Taiwan list. So if anybody wants to help us out, that would be helpful. But not something I really wanted to do, but we're kind of at the point where it's just like, oh God, help. I ended up getting like a bill that I wasn't expecting, and then all of a sudden another bill that I wasn't getting billed for, and now I am for some reason. Should have been getting billed for it all along. Just can't be too unhappy. Not good at that. Then we got one of these. And I don't have any mung bean sprouts today. I normally would use them, but I figured why spend money I don't have on mung bean sprouts. Yeah, that's a good gauge of lack of funds when mung bean sprouts are kind of like a luxury item. There we are. A whole heck of a lot more on this. That seaweed is irritating because it takes up a lot of the purview. This is not one of my favorite bowl setups here. Yeah, that's good. It's I would call this an average instant ramen. Nothing wrong with that. Let's rotate. Well, thank you very much for watching. The next one you're going to see is a variety that came by way of Ferengi. Thank you very much. This is Indomie mie instan mie kocak Bandung. This is Indonesian, and kocak means shake. I believe that means shake. And it has to do with the preparation of it. Usually it's kind of like a beef noodle. So, yeah, something different to try. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment in your noodles each and every day. Like, subscribe, check down in the description if there's anything you can do to help us out. This is going to come out like way after I recorded this, but yeah, things have been kind of tight for a while. So if you can, that's great. If you can't, I don't mind. Anyways, thanks. Have a good one. Bye-bye.